Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. The next edition of What's on the Porch. As you can see, I have a FabFitFun box that I didn't know I was getting. I ordered the sample box at a reduced price just to see what it was like, and did they sign me up for a subscription? I don't know. Here's another box. When I saw it on the porch, I immediately went to their website and made sure that that was canceled because I just wanted to try the box. I didn't want to sign up for a whole subscription. So I didn't even get an email telling me that I could do choices or nothing. So I have no idea what's in this box. I didn't pick anything in the box. So we're just going to be super surprised. It's Christmas and it comes with a magazine. I think it kind of sort of tells you what's in the box. And here's a code for $15 off your first box if anybody's interested. And we have some stickers for friend mail. Yay. I don't have enough room over here. I'm not being rude, y'all. There's lots of squiggly doos in there. They sent some trash. Hello Fresh. 16 free meals. There's a code on that too, just in case anybody's interested. And then, this is if you're looking for a sign to drink wine. And the gift of streaming HBO Max. 14-day free trial. I don't know if that's a one-use code or not, but if anybody wants to try that too. Because all this is going in the trash. Alright, we have some IPSY Natural Beauty Inner Calm Exfoliating Body Polish. Revitalizing Body Exfoliator to smooth and refresh. I don't know. I don't think this has the prices of stuff in it. It seems like the last box that I looked at did not have any prices or anything in it. No. Then we have Mani Moments. Mani in a Box Duo with a nail file. And it says it's vegan. It's Voish. This is cruelty-free, PETA approved, and organic ingredients. What kind of mani are you doing that? Oh. Vitamin Recharge Sugar Scrub. Vitamin Recharge Cream Mask. Vitamin Recharge Massage Butter. There's a file. I need to do my nails, so this will be nice. Is it 2? Green Tea Detox Massage Butter. Green Tea Detox Cream Mask and Green Tea Detox Sugar Scrub. That's interesting. Get a salon-worthy manicure at home. Perfect choice for a girls' night in. Cool. I will definitely use that. This is Winky Lux Lip Oil. Cute box. That's really cute. In the Stars. Hashtag it's a winky world. Oh, look how cute that is with the little stars in it. That is super cute. Wonder what those stars are. And the writing is so tiny. I do see a bunny. It has a 12-month shelf life. High shine, glossy finish, keeps lips hydrated and nourished with avocado, sunflower, olive, and jojoba oil. That's super cute. I will not use it, so that's going in a giveaway, in the giveaway box, in somebody's Christmas present, in a stocking. That's going in the I don't want it pile. This says Design, Make, Love, Winter Flower. It's an embroidery kit. That's cute. That's really cute. I used to love to embroidery. Oh, it's sealed. Would y'all be mad if I opened it and then gave it away? I'm gonna open it so we can look at it. How long is this video gonna be? That's cute. Comes with the whole kit. The cloth, you have your embroidery hoop, your thread. I can see the thread and everything in there. I'm not going to open the whole package, but that's super cute. That's a cute idea. I don't know if I know anybody that does embroidery, but maybe that'll go in the giveaway box. Oh, actually, I think I do know somebody that likes to do embroidery. There's lots of this stuff. And this is Detox Shampoo from this company. Detox. My nose is all stopped up. I'm sure y'all can hear that. I don't know if I'll be able to smell it. It's got a seal on it, but... Oh, that smells really good. It's very rare for me to give up shampoo, so I'm definitely keeping that. Hopefully the conditioner is in here too. That would be nice. This is from the same brand. It's a scalp massager. Didn't we just talk about scalp massagers? Now I have two. Oh, this one looks really nice. This is like a bougie scalp massager. Very nice. If y'all are not using a scalp massager, I highly recommend it. It really does help your hair. I have one. I have one in the giveaway box. Now I have two in the giveaway box. And this is Sur le Table. Right, I said that right, didn't I? 4-piece silicone utensil set. Well, that's cool. Spatula, slotted turner, spoon, and slotted spoon. Are they red? I opened the wrong end of the box. They are red. These are nice. Very nice. Red's not my color, but they are so nice that I'm probably going to keep these. Can Never have too many spatulas and things of that nature. What on earth could this little bitty thing be that's in the box? Did it fall out of something else? Dry clay craft. This product contains natural clay that is packaged in plastic-free craft paper. Oh, it's to keep. It's like those silica packs. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? It's like those silica packs, I'm guessing. I was like, what kind of craft am I going to make out of this clay? There's not a whole lot of clay there. Because, you know, I make clay jewelry, so. The box just attacked me. We have an item of clothing that has more clay in it. I believe that's everything. Let me move the box so I can turn around and... Oh, I got stuff everywhere in front of me. And this says short strides. It's a travel blanket. That's what the package says anyway. Travel blanket. Now I have 2 little clay packs so that I can make something. Maybe I'll make Trent a plate or something for him. I'll mail it to wherever he goes next when I find out. Hashtag Trent the Troll. Y'all gotta keep up with him. Well, that's super cute. It's in a bag. And it is super soft. And I like the color. And the cats will take this away from me. Absolutely they will. This is very cute. I like it. Sometimes at work my legs get cold, so this would be nice to take to work to leave in my office, but sometimes when I'm sitting here my legs will get cold, so I will probably leave this here because I did go to Dollar General and buy a little blanket, you know, a little cheap $5 blanket to keep at work to throw over my legs, so that's nice. It's thin. Very thin, but I can tell that it's enough to keep you warm. So very cool. I like that. So there we go. Those are all the items in my FabFitFun surprise box that I paid for. And I believe there are only 3 items. This, the lip oil, and the scalp massager that I will not keep. But that's cool. That doesn't bother me at all. I am more than happy to add things to y'all's giveaway box. I'm not giving you my little miniature clay packs that I'm going to create a beautiful piece of art with, though. I'm keeping that. I'm going to be selfish, and I'm going to keep that all for myself. Y'all can't have it. But everything else I'm going to keep, and I'm keeping the stickers too. So, there we go. I have no idea what the value of the box is. If I think about it, I might look all this stuff up and add it up and put it on the screen. If it's not, then I was too lazy to do it. Because, yeah. So, thanks so much for hanging out with me today and watch me open this FabFitFun box. I got lipstick on my teeth again, y'all. Red. I'm telling you, red. I love it. Look how pretty it is. Whew. If you're new here, my name is Crazy Lynn. If you enjoyed my video, give me a big old thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, I'd like to remind you, even with the stuffy nose, that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull out your makeup and play with it. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you embroidery? No. We've already had the scalp massager discussion. Do you need a Winky? A Winky Lux? What did it say? It's a Winky World. It says it's a Winky World right there. Maybe you need a little Winky in your life. You want Mama to send you this? Not too many people can say their mama sent them a Winky. Okay? Mom loves you, boo.